Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to copy and paste on Wattpad. First of all, open the Wattpad application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to copy from Wattpad, you'll not be able to directly do it. For instance, I'm just going to open this story over here. Tap on the option Start Reading. Now over here, if you select the text, you can see over here there is no option for copying. If you want to copy from the Wattpad itself, what you have to do is simply take the screenshot. Press on the volume down button and power button at once. Now after you do that, use the Google Lens in order to scan the text and copy it. For that, open the Google Lens on your device. You can see over here I've opened it. Tap on the photo icon. Now upload the screenshot that we just took. Now tap on the option Select Text that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the text will be selected. You can highlight the text according to your choice. Tap on the option Copy. Now it will be copied. Now you can simply go to the pasting destination. Go back. I'm just going to paste on my own story. So what you have to do is simply tap on the right icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the story where you want to paste the text. Now over here, simply tap on the area where you want to paste the text. Long press on it. Tap on the option Paste. Or you can also paste from the clipboard if you want. So like this, you'll be able to paste the text. So that is how you copy and paste in Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.